60th birthday to this superhero and superwoman of our school.
Happy 60th birthday. May your life be filled with love, happiness, wealth, and good health. Stay fresh.
She has been a guiding light, a constant support, and the heart of our family.
Dara ko nakita si ma'am nga birthday kapisan. Dara ko nakapipaste ang ginatawag nga compassion sa trabaho.